Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do multi-turn conversation messages with Genkit in NodeJS using Gemini. So first you need to have NodeJS version 20 or later installed. Then I have already created one sample. I don't know why this. I'll just delete this. Okay, so here you can see I just have this folder, just a simple folder, and I'm already inside my terminal. And you just need to run npm init-y first, so it will create the package.json file for us. So let it do its thing. Here you can see they have done the same thing. We'll create this file manually. We don't have to use TypeScript for, like, we don't have to run this command. Then we don't require this, don't need this to install globally, so we can just copy this particular command and then we can just run this command, so it will install the dependencies for us inside our package.json file. So yeah, let it do its thing. Then we need to create an API key, so I'll just open this inside a new tab, and let's just wait. I'll just click on create API key, and here I'll just select Gemini API, create API key in existing project. So it will create the API key. I will copy it later on. Then we'll just copy this particular bit of code. I'll come back over here. I'll create one file called index.ts. Okay, I'll paste it over here. Now, like I said, we require multi-turn conversation messages. So firstly, I'll delete this unnecessary code. We don't require all this. I want to keep things simple. That's why I don't require all this. I can just remove this. Okay, I think this AI stuff is giving unnecessary intelligence for me. So here you can see that's all I have written at the very moment, and here you need to pass your API key. So I think, yeah, it is API key colon, and now I will just come over here. I'll copy the API key and I'll paste it over here, command V. So yeah, it is done. Now we'll write the actual code inside the main function. So how to do turn based messages, multi-turn conversation messages. Next thing is we just need to paste this particular bit of code over here. So all we are doing is await ai.generate. Here we are passing first message as user, and here we are just saying hello, can you help me plan a trip, and then the model returns, of course I would like to help. Then again the user asks, I want to visit Japan for 2 weeks in spring, and then we'll see what the model returns. This is how multi-turn conversation message works in Genkit. So here I can just do npx tsx index.ts. okay, so yeah, let's just wait for this to finish. So yeah, we'll have to wait because we are using the free tier of Gemini, so the response are not pretty quick. But here you can see it has given the response. Now you can use this response to ask further questions. So hopefully you have got the point. You'll have to append this to this message array, so you can create a separate message variable as well. Whatever response you get inside from response.text, you can append it. You just have to give the role as model and then ask the further question whatever the user wants. Maybe you can create a text input as well, so and keep on appending these messages so the AI can have previous context of what they have sent. But do note in mind there is a certain limit. If you exceed that limit, then it will stop responding as well. So yeah, that's how multi-turn conversation in Genkit works. Thank you for watching. Bye.